Well, good morning, fellas. Bill from PJC. On my way to a new location I never been to. I don't know what's gonna if I'll catch anything today. So enjoy the ride. All right, fellas. Here it is. I've never been here before, so I gotta take my lunch, my breakfast with me. Get out of the car. See? This is where they launched the canoes. Let me get my stuff out and get back to you. Alright, fellas, this is the new place I found. This is part of the Plains River. It's going pretty fast, this water, just like. So here's where they bring back the canoes. But I found something else that I think I like. I'm gonna try out, so let's take a walk. It's that way. I don't want to go that way, it's too steep. Okay, let's go back this way. Car's got a mind of its own. Let's go the other way. I think somebody come by and cut this down. But no. Let's hope this shit don't fall on me. Holy crap. Very dangerous here. Hey fellas, this is what I want to show you. Trees in the way. There it is. Oh, you guys are missing out the action. For those who watch my video, there's a couple of rivers I fish. This Plains River's 1, Fox River's 2, DuPage River's 3, and the Sauk Creek. This is the Sauk Creek. They come together. They empty out here. So some of the experts say that this water here is warmer than that water because it's shallower. And this is where the fish are going to be. So I'm not going to name any names, but we're gonna put that to the test. So I'm gonna try go over there in that direction. See if I throw my lines over there. All right, let me get situated and see what's going on. Check it out, fellas, over there. Deers. Hello, deers. Stupid ass. Though I think they're female. I don't see no horns. They want to cross, I think. So I got my lines in the water. I got one slight problem. Oh, there's some more over there. One slight problem is the worms, all dead. My wife, I keep my worms in the refrigerator in the garage. And she keeps that thing sub-zero temperatures. And it killed all my worms. So I might have to cut this short, this video, because of my bait situation. So I'll keep you informed if I catch anything. Alright. See, they want to cross, but they're too scared. Because I'm over here, I guess. See? The line's making movement. Oh, it's a stick. There's a canoe. You want the canoe to me. There's a hook a stick. The bait's gone. Alright, let me rebait it. Get back to you. Alright fellas, I moved. I was over there, around the corner there. And I had my line in the water, and from that creek, Sauk Creek, debris would come and tangle with my lines. So I got fed up and I came over here, so I moved over here. I got my line in here in the water. I got a question for those experts. I got here this Strike King dip bait. I don't know how old. I mean, it's got to be a couple years old. Is that any good? Still smells. So I've been using that because my very short on worms. When do I throw this away, and how long do I keep it? That's the question. Anybody can answer that, I'll appreciate it. So I'll let you know if I catch anything else. Alright fellas, nothing, zero. Didn't catch anything. So I'm gonna head home. It's almost lunchtime anyways. It's 11:15. I'll probably come back here maybe later on in the year, see how the water is. Maybe they're still spawning. I don't know what's going on. And this is the second place this is the second new place I've been to, and the first place I've never caught anything either, so I gotta post that too. So strike two, skunk the second time. So I'll probably go back to one of my regular spots just to get my confidence back up, make sure I can catch something. Alright, so fellas, have a good week. Enjoy your Sunday. And if I don't see you later, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.